All right, this is our final product. Let me grab a spoon,
Let me grab a plate.
dig in there. Yeah, get a plate right quick.
The big plate?
It don't matter. Whichever one you're going to use. Pull this up, see what it look like. Put it on down, play just a little bit. Like that, like so in my Tabitha voice. See? Ooh, what it do, Dano?
It's steaming.
What is it doing, Dano? He said it's gonna be busting.
That will be on the side.
Don't drop your plate. Don't put your plate on the counter. All right. Let's see what he doing. Let's see if this jump busting. Ooh, hot. It's good. He said it's hot, but it's good.